Welcome to my thatMuffinART channel. Drawing a good tree is a major milestone for all beginner artists. Once those seeds have been planted, you can create lots of natural landscape with ease. However, each tree has its own unique layout and personality. So in this article, we will talk about through four of the most common saplings you will see stretched. We will going over the roots outline. We will go over the root outlines, offer expert advice on coloring, shading, and even give some tips on how to easily add depth. Use a pencil to create the base of your tree. Just like a real tree, a tree drawing starts with a trunk. Draw the branches of the top and tree's base. Start by lightly sketching two parallel lines that curve together each other ever so lightly in the middle. Start your lines in the center of your sketching paper so you can easily add leaves, branches, and crown to the top of bottom. Always draw with the pencil first so you can erase any mistake. Draw the branches of the top at the tree's base. Draw two thin V-shaped lines that extend from the top points of your tree's base. A very beautiful and amazing branches that rise from the trunk. Each tree has its own way of branching. If you want to draw a particular kind of tree, look at some real trees for reference. Pay attention to how two branches grow from the base. Drawing what you see is a great way to improve your artistic skill. If we look at the bushy tree, we see these trees usually have the leaves in a big, fluffy mess. So the leaves of the trees create a very amazing look. For a more realistic looking like tree. Thank you for watching.